If you've ever wanted to translate videos effortlessly, this AI tool will blow your mind. And when I say game changer, I mean it. No complicated software, no hours of editing, just instant, high-quality translations. The link is in the description, but you can also open your browser, search for VMEG Pro, and click the first result you see. It supports multiple languages, making it perfect for reaching a global audience. Getting started with VMEG Pro. First, click Try for Free or Get Started to access the main dashboard. Here, you'll see some impressive features, including video translation. Instantly translate videos into multiple languages. You will also see Subtitle Translator, where you can instantly translate any subtitle to any language, clips to videos, turn short clips into full-fledged videos and non-vocal video creation. Generate videos without voiceovers. Let's get started. Step 1. Video translation. Click All Products, then select Video Translation from the menu. Now, upload your video. For this example, I'll use one featuring a man speaking French. The AI will automatically detect the original language, but if it doesn't, you can set it manually. I'll switch the original language to French and set the translation language to English. Since there's only one speaker, I'll keep it as a single speaker translation. Now comes the voice selection. For the most natural result, I'll choose Clone from Original Video, which preserves the speaker's voice. Hit Confirm, and the AI will start processing the video. It's fast and seamless. If any edits are needed, you can fine-tune the script, but in this case, everything looks perfect. And just like that, your translated video is ready. Let's preview the result.
By fighting poverty worldwide, we tackle the root causes of wars. By providing humanitarian aid, we embody our values. By standing with countries most vulnerable to climate change impacts, like floods or droughts.
If you're enjoying this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to AI Goldmine to keep getting the latest AI tips and trends. All right, let's proceed. Step 2. Clips to videos. If you don't have media files, don't worry. VMEG Pro provides sample clips for testing. I'll select a sample video. This one is about a phone case. You can either input your own script or let the AI generate one. I'll go with the AI-generated script. Now, let's optimize the settings. Aspect ratio, keeping it at 9:16. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts. Resolution, sticking with 720p for a balance of quality and file size. AI voice, selecting the first voice option. Background music, adding a track to enhance the overall appeal. Once all settings are locked in, click Generate, then Confirm. The AI processes everything, and within moments, your video is ready. Wow. The AI even added smooth slide transitions, making the final product look super professional.
Introducing a phone case that's not just protective and durable, but a true style statement with its elegant floral design, perfect for the fashion forward. Once upon a time, your phone met the cutest protector, a teddy bear pattern case with shock absorption and raised bezels for unbeatable security. Don't let your...
This tool is a must-have for creating eye-catching marketing videos for Instagram, TikTok, and beyond. This proves just how powerful VMEG Pro is for AI-driven content creation. Whether you're making ads, social media clips, or product showcases, this tool simplifies the process while delivering top-notch results. Ready to give it a try? The link to VMEG Pro is in the description. Go check it out and see what it can do for you. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to smash that like button and support the channel. Subscribe for more AI-powered content and new viral money-making online strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.